All praises to the Most High God, Yahweh, Bahashim, Yahushai, and this is another daily meditation. So I have a brother who were asking about this particular topic: is baptism requirement? Is baptism a requirement for salvation? Well, we're going to find out. Remember that we need to keep the commandments in order to be saved, right? Revelations 22:14. Blessed are they that do his commandments, that they may have right to the tree of life, and may enter through the gates into the city. Now, where are the commandments? They can be found in the first five books of the Bible, right? Where can we see or find that you have to be baptized with water in order to be saved, right? This is Acts chapter 11, verse 14. Who shall tell thee words, or who shall tell you words whereby you and all thy house shall be saved? The Word is the one who will save us, right? What is the Word, right? John 17:17. Sanctify them through thy truth, for thy word is the truth. What is that? Psalms 119:142. Thy righteousness is an everlasting righteousness, and thy law is the truth. So the word is the washing, right? Because the word is the truth, and that truth is the law, right? We need to be washed away with the word, right? For First Corinthians 1:17, for Christ sent me not to baptize, but to what? Preach. Preach is to teach. And how do you teach? Right? By using your mouth. When you use your mouth, you speak of something and then you speak or bring out words. John 15:3. Now ye are clean through the word which I have spoken you. Right? So baptism of the water is not required to get saved. You can get baptized, but it's not a required, because the important is to be baptized with the word, right? That we may have what? First Peter 3:21. The like figure whereunto baptism that also now save us, not the putting away of the flesh, filth of the flesh, but the answer of a good conscience. Right? It's the renewal of the mind. Ephesians 4:23. And be renewed in the spirit of your mind. There you go. That's why the word is to wash away our minds from our sinful or lust. Right? All praises to the Most High Yahweh Bahashim Yahweh Tuwara.